10 waxes in one? Hey guys and gals, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB, and this is another episode of Realistic Detailing. Before we get waxing, hit that bell for all the latest Garage Gear notifications. And if you are feeling the vibe and you want to be part of the tribe, subscribe. This year, Turtle Wax is celebrating their 75th anniversary, and they're still owned by the same family since day one. That is pretty impressive, and they continue to be innovative year after year. One of their latest products to hit the shelves is their ceramic plus graphene paste wax. It's part of their hybrid solutions line. Turtle Wax sent me this wax not too long ago, and I'll have it linked down below for you in the description. This one that I have here in my hands is a limited edition, and the only exception for you is that this one will have a black cap and not the number 75 on it, but it'll still have all the same glossy goodness inside. Will this wax survive the one coat test? Let's find out. Stick around. Our Jeep Wrangler has been thoroughly washed and dried. In order for this wax to go on smoothly, you're going to want your paint surface as clean as possible. If you need more information on how to decontaminate your vehicle's paint surface, be sure to check out my video on how to clay bar your car, truck, or SUV. I'll have that linked down below in the description as well. We're going to need our ceramic plus graphene paste wax, an applicator pad, and 2 buffing towels. I'm not kidding around, you're going to need 2. Alright, let's go. Let's get this party started. To apply this wax, dab it in the jar. Blot it a few times on the paint surface, working in circular motions. Thoroughly coat the paint surface. You can even work in different directions to ensure good coverage. I'm going to do a couple of panels. This will allow a few minutes to pass and the wax to set up its initial haze. Then I'll come back to where I started and begin buffing. Using 1 towel to remove the initial haze and a second to expose that shine and gloss that we're dying to see. I just finished buffing this half of the hood, and I can tell you this. Right off the bat, the shine and slickness is incredible. This is super slick even with latex gloves on. Much like the Turtle Wax to the Max Wax, the surface is extremely slippery. The level of gloss is already out of control on this Jeep. Let's keep the fun train rolling. As I'm waxing the rest of the Wrangler, lend me your ears for a second. This wax really spiked my interest. It's a unique blend of 10 different waxes in one. It's infused with SiO2 and graphene to create a tight web of protection. It delivers an intense gloss and extreme slickness. As far as durability goes, I personally saw the graphene infused to the Max Wax that Turtle Wax recently came out with last about 3 months. I'll have that video review linked down below as well. Now the interesting part is they combined this with ceramic technology. Ceramic coatings generally last a long time, so it will be interesting to watch these two duke it out, so to speak. I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say that this wax could make it to the 6-month mark. Feel free to check back with me in the comments and I will gladly update you on how this wax holds up. There are no abrasives in this wax, so no worries there, and a little goes a long way. This wax is also not recommended for use on plastics or rubber. It's got a smell that reminds me of Fruit Loops for some reason. Toucan Sam! Follow your nose! This container has enough wax in it to finish about 10 vehicles. It spreads fairly easily and comes off easily as well. There is a little bit of residue left over after the initial buff, so the second towel will be necessary. I found it easier to do the Jeep in sections, starting with the front, hood and fenders, then the doors, and then the rear fenders and tailgate. Overall, I did enjoy the application process of this wax, and only 1 coat was required. This Jeep Wrangler is now fully coated. It's super slick. To put it in perspective, I would say that the To The Max wax is just slightly slicker than this, but this still gives you quite the smooth finish. I'm a fan of this product, and I'm definitely gonna keep it in my auto wax arsenal. Water beading test in 3, 2, 1. And poof, the water runs right off. Now we're gonna do a little poured water test. Look at that, It's almost completely clean. If you enjoyed this video, give me one of these. For more cool garage gear videos, check out my links right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.